What's up, style babes? Welcome back to my channel. It's Rihanna, and I'm back with another video. In today's video, I'll be reinstalling this wig that I colored myself, and this wig is from Isee via Amazon. If I remember the links, I'll put it down below. But this is what the wig looks like, and I'm gonna do a half up, half down with 2 space buns. It's gonna come out really cute. And of course, I'm gonna use the Erica J Hold Me Down adhesive, and I'm gonna use a skin guard because we gotta protect our skin. Like, what? Alright, so I'm gonna do 2 layers of this glue. I didn't plan on wearing it for that long, so that's why I'm only doing 2 layers. And I like to do sections, you know, to each his own. If you can put the glue on, you know, the whole perimeter of your head and then lay the lace down perfectly fine, but I'm not doing that. I don't do that for myself or my clients. I like to do sections. I feel like it just works better, and plus this glue dries really quick, so I feel like I don't have to rush and like lay it down and just, you know, mess up my flow. So I like to do sections, and that's that. Alright, so now that the glue has dried, or it's not dried, it's like tacky, and that's where you want it to be at in order for the glue to stick with your lace. So I like to pull it over the glue. I just feel like it's easier that way, because if you have to cut off any extra lace or add any extra glue at the end, that's better than applying the lace too far back and you got like a sticky area and you got to worry about cleaning it up, and it's just extra. So just apply it over the lace, and if you have to cut any extra lace off or just put some more glue on, that is perfectly fine. And now I'm just cutting off any extra lace. Honestly, I didn't need it because, as you can see, it is really close to my eyebrows, and that's just not cute at all. So I'm just gonna cut any of that extra lace off, and I'm gonna make sure I do like a zigzag motion. You always want to do that when you're cutting off your lace because it gives a more natural look. You can do that with scissors or with the razor comb, but I prefer scissors because I feel like I have more control of it. Alright, so now it is time for the style and proportion, and I'm going to use my wax stick and hot comb to get it as flat as possible. I also use my wax stick and hot comb to slick the buns up into, you know, the little space buns. I like to do that with any of my like sleek ponytails, half up, half down. I just feel like it's like, you know, less harsh in a way if you use like hairspray or hair gel, because I didn't really want to wear the space buns the entire install. I wanted to switch up the hair, and I was able to do that without it, you know, being too crunchy and hard and like I got to take the wig off immediately. And right here, I'm just taking out a section of hair because that's going to be the little bangs. I can't really explain it, but when y'all see it, y'all know what I'm talking about and be like, oh, that's kind of cute. That's really cute. Alright, so boom, it's the bun time. I had to do one of them off camera because I was struggling a little bit. So I don't really know how to explain that. I hope that y'all are visual learners and know what I'm doing. You see, I took it out and showed you again. So I do like a little bun, then wrap it around. And I don't know how to explain it, but I'm going to replay the clip for you again so you could understand what I'm doing. So I just do like a little bun, and then I wrap the tail around it, and then I'm gonna take my rubber band and just tie that down. I just put it on top of it. I don't even wrap it around twice, the rubber band. And these are the little bangs that I was talking about that I'm gonna use my wand curl to curl them. They look absolutely so cute. I'm happy that I did that. As you can see, that looks super cute. I love it. And after that, I was trying to decide if I wanted to either leave the hair natural or wand curl it, and ultimately I just decided to wand curl the hair. I kind of wish that I didn't. I think I should have left it like that in its natural state and wet it, but whatever. So yeah, I just wand curl it, and that's pretty much it. So I'm just gonna finish up wand curling it, and after I wand curled it, I just did the rest of my makeup, and I ended up going out, and I didn't even really take pictures, so sorry about that. But I do have some little video clips at the end so y'all can see the finished look. I hope that y'all enjoyed this video, and don't forget to like and subscribe if you are new here, and I will see y'all in my next one. Bye, style babes.